Watch this video and learn how to draw a baby shark. Baby shark. Do, 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 do.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. How are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
Well, I'm very well too.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Are you excited for today's drawing?
Yeah. Very excited. Oh.
And do you know what we're going to draw today, Artie? A baby shark.
Yeah. Okay.
Does that make you happy, Artie?
Yay. Happy, 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 happy.
I am so excited to see what Artie is going to do today.
Well, Artie, I think it's time to start. Let's get going and draw this baby shark. Come on.
Okay.
Let's start by drawing a big curvy line on the left side of the page. Very good. Now let's continue all the way across the top. Good. Can you guess what we're going to do now? That's right. We're going to come round the right side to make almost a whole circle. A little bit more, Artie. Perfect. Let's do a little bit more of the circle.
Okay.
A bit more on the left, but leave a gap at the bottom.
It's a lovely day to create some art.
Sure is.
Now, Artie, let's draw a large circle on the left side inside our main circle. That's going to be our baby shark's left eye.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. Okay, now let's draw another circle on the right. This will be the right eye. Let's draw another circle inside the left eye, but we're going to leave a little bite shape out of the circle. That's right, Artie. Now colour it in nice and black, Artie. Be careful you don't go outside the lines. Do you know the Baby Shark song, Artie?
Yeah. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do.
Very good.
This is making me so happy.
Now, inside the right eye, we're going to do another eyeball. Remember how we did the one on the left? A smaller circle with a little bite shape taken out of it. Don't forget to colour it in black. Artie's really concentrating, little artists. Look at him go. Are you following along with the video at home and drawing alongside Artie? Okay, that's it. Our shark has two large sharky eyes. Let's draw a wavy line all the way across. That'll be the top of our shark's mouth.
B-Brush, I think we got the best view from up here.
Now let's draw a big half circle for the bottom of the mouth. Very good, Artie. Now, what are sharks famous for? Can you remember? That's right, their teeth. Sharks have big, sharp teeth. Let's draw a series of triangles along the top of the mouth. There are shark's teeth. Let's do 4 triangles. That's 3. One more, Artie, will make 4. There you go. You're ready for a dance break? Okay, go on then. Go and have yourself a dance break. really quite incredible, isn't he? I give it a 10. What a great dance break. Did you enjoy yourself? Good. Should we carry on with the drawing of the baby shark?
Yeah, okay.
Come along. Now let's draw a curved line. Start at the bottom of the circle and curve away to the left side of the page. Now let's do another curved line. Start on the right, curve all the way round and make a point. That's it. I think he's deciding what to do next, little artists. You got it? That's right. Let's do another curved line. Now on the right side, we're going to do a really big curve. Start at the top and then curve all the way down towards the ends of all the other curves. It's looking good.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Now let's do a little horizontal line on the left. That's right. And then from the end of that line, curve down to the furthest left curved line. Now I think our shark needs a tail fin. Let's do a nice big curved line on the left. That's the bottom of the tail. Now from the top point, do another curve all the way to the bottom point, making a sort of moon shape. Okay, now he has a bottom fin. He can swim through the ocean. But he's missing something, Artie. Do you know what it is?
No.
It's the top fin.
Yeah.
That's right. Right on the top of his head. Do a little triangle, and that's his top fin.
That looks lovely, Artie.
You're finished? Well, now we should colour him in, Artie. Are you ready to colour in your shark? Let's do it. Looks great, Artie. I love how you coloured him in. The same colour as you. Orange. Orange. And I really like how you left the underside of your shark white. It's another masterpiece, Artie. You did a wonderful job. Well done.
Bye, Artie.
Hey kids, have a great day.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists. Me and Artie hope you all have an Artie day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.